Welcome to the fifth episode of Business with Tanmay. Today's topic is why to become the face of your business. Now, it is true that some of the oldest and most iconic brands have survived multiple decades, even centuries, operating as a faceless brand. They have always been a brand name and a logo. And while it continues to work for them, it doesn't mean you should take that same approach when it comes to your business. Now, do you know who started Coca-Cola? Nike? What about BMW? That time was different. Try to understand that our brain connects with human first, not with the brand. Consumers connect more strongly with a personality than with a faceless brand. Tesla has 2 million followers on Twitter, while Elon Musk has 14 million. A lot has changed over the years, especially how brands interact with consumers. Now, 30 to 40 years ago, messaging was very direct. This is our product and this is what it does. Today, a logo isn't even an afterthought. Many successful brands use a simple text-based logo with nothing more than font matching their vibe. With the goal of marketing that connects quickly, many brands begin using a familiar face to establish a strong brand-consumer relationship. Consumers connect with and trust a brand with a face more than they do a faceless brand. You can tell your story better than anyone else. Would Tesla have a similar success story if it used a random celebrity spokesperson rather than Elon Musk? No, because nobody can tell the brand story better than Elon. While he didn't originally started the company, he invested, took control and quickly made sure to brand the company with his image and likeness. Believing in your own product or service is the strongest statement you can make. To be the face of the business you founded means putting yourself out there. It means that you are all in on your brand and will be there for the ups and downs. No amount of fancy advertisements or paid celebrity endorsement can match that level of trust or commitment. You have to come over and describe your brand. This is going to help you in long run. Thank you.